Reports from the town of Burao say that Somaliland forces have recently arrested Abdimalik Sheikh Muse Coldon, a well-known humanitarian journalist. According to sources in Burao, Abdimalik Coldon was arrested by Somaliland police while he was at his private office in Burao. The sources added that Abdimalik is currently being held at the central police station in Burao. Although the motive behind his arrest is not yet known, there has been tension in recent days between Abdimalik and a Burao school, which was intervened by the Somaliland president, who said the school was free of allegations of propagating anti-religious practices, during which he said he had visited and checked. Reacting to President Muse Bihi's remarks, Abdimalik said the president was trying to cover up the reality of the school, a similar remark which Coldon was arrested for last year. Just hours before, Abdimalik posted a statement on his Facebook page accusing the president of Burao University of Burao of spreading infidelity in Somaliland. However, this is not the first time Somaliland police have arrested Abdimalik Coldon. Last year, he was sentenced by a Maradije regional court to 3 years in prison. There was no immediate word from security officials on his arrest.